we just shot another 3-man limit. Definitely had a hiccup on our hunt. My gun decided to jam up. I lost my bolt handle to my Sx4 last week, and so once it got stuck, I couldn't do anything about it. And being that we're hunting in water, I just opted to trade off. Don't move. Don't move. Wait. Take it. Nice. Here. Nice. Well, we just finished up our 3-man hunt today, and it was crazy windy outside. 25-mile-an-hour winds, 45-mile-an-hour wind gusts, all from the northwest, and it was very consistent. It made for the birds finishing really well. I mean, they'd fly in and they just dump right into our hole. We had quite a few large groups of ducks that came in. The only problem with high winds like that is your shot flies all over the place, and so our shooting today was not great, but we did end up with our 3-man limit, and now we're getting packed up. If you guys like watching us hunt, if you like our videos, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and thanks again.